What's going on, guys? Today we're unboxing some new prints. I know it's been a while, my video upload consistency has been a little off, but I've been a bit busy with starting a new day job, but had to record this new unboxing for you guys so you could see the latest prints I'm about to add to my store. So without further ado, let's pull them out. Nice little sturdy mailer here. Oh wow. Shout out to my printing company. I think I'm gonna need some scissors. FYI, with these prints, you're gonna get an additional mini print if you order one of these full-size color prints. And if you were wondering, these are prints of my latest Batman and Joker illustration. Let's pull them out, then it'll look better than what we're seeing right now. Oh, these came out great. 11 by 14 inch size. These will be signed and numbered. I think I'm only going to make 5. Oops. Let's just show you guys one. Here we go. Yeah, that came out great. Let's see how close we can get that. Trying not to bend here. Showing it on both cameras. And with that comes a small 5 by 7 inch black and white of the original sketch that turned into this big, very detailed illustration. So yeah, get one of these and you'll get one of these. They will be mailed out in a sturdy mailer similar to how I got them. Like I said, they will be signed and numbered. I know you guys enjoyed my take on Batman and the Joker, so hopefully you guys get some of these prints while you can. Quick video, just trying to check in with you guys, but yeah, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking in every week for a new video. If you're new, please do subscribe, check out some of the videos. I'm sure you'll like one of them. This was just a quick unboxing, which I think I'm going to do more of, as new things hit the store. So this is the latest thing that's about to hit the store. That's muddymerch.etsy.com. All of my important links will be in the description below. And yeah, thank you for tuning in. Peace.